Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with sum number 19 part 3. If a rectangular place of which length and breadth are 6 meter and 4 meter is desired to pave it with 2 cm, it should be 2 dcm. 2 dcm decimeter square tiles, then the number of tiles is to be required. There are 4 answers. One is 1200, second is 2400, third one is 600 and fourth one is 1800. You have to choose the correct alternative. So therefore, first we have to find the area of the rectangular place. So length is 6 meter equal to 60 dcm and breadth is 4 meter means 40 dcm. So therefore area is, we know the area of rectangular place is length into breadth. So length into breadth, it should be 60 into 40, 2400 dcm square. Now square tiles area is, it's given one of the square tiles, so one of the side of the square tiles is 2 dcm, so therefore the area of the square tiles means 2 into 2 dcm square. Why? Because the area of the square is side into side and its one side is given as 2 dcm, so therefore 2 into 2 equal to 4 dcm square. So therefore number of required tiles equal to total area of rectangular place by total area of one square tile. So therefore total area of rectangular place is 2400 and total area of one square tile is 4 dcm square. So 2400 by 4, it should be 600. So therefore the number of required tiles is 600. We have to choose the third one from the lot, 600. So the answer is 600 number of tiles. This is sum number 4. If a square and a rectangle having the same perimeter and their areas are S and R respectively, then there are 3 answers. One is S equal to R, means area of the square equal to area of the rectangle. One is area of the square greater than the area of rectangle, and one is area of the square less than the area of rectangle. We have to choose the correct alternative. So first of all, it's a short question, a MCQ type question, correct alternative, or I guess this question can came in the fill in the blanks also. So therefore this is a 1 marks question. The answer is here, area of square always greater than area of rectangle. This is the answer, but the question is why. So let's, the perimeter of square is equal to, let perimeter of square equal to 4a. We know that 4 into side where side equal to a, we assume that a unit. and perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B, 2 into length plus breadth, we know that. So according to the problem, we know that perimeter of the both the square and rectangle both are equal. So therefore we can say that 4A equal to 2 into L plus B, and A means 2 by 4 L plus B means L plus B by 2, or A square means L plus B by 2 whole square, or we can say that, break that, L plus B whole square by 2 square, or L plus B whole square by 4. We can say that. Now area of square, we know that area of the square is A square. So A square equal to L plus B whole square by 4. So we can say that A square equal to, if we break that, L plus B whole square, L square plus B square plus 2LB by 4. If we break that also once again, so you can say that L square plus B square by 4 plus 2LB by 4. So you can say that L square plus B square by 4 plus LB by 2. Now all of you can know that LB is the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So you can see area of the square is LB by 2 plus something. So therefore area of the square means half of the area of the rectangle plus the side of the length square plus the side of the breadth square by 4. So this should be always greater than LB. So therefore we can say that A square greater than LB. So according to this question, we can say that area of the square S greater than area of the rectangle equal to R. So A is greater than R. The question is sum number 5. If the length of diagonal of a rectangle is 10 centimeter and area is 62.5 square centimeter, then the sum of the length and breadth is. So length of the diagonal of a rectangle. So diagonal of a rectangle, diagonal of rectangle means root over L square plus B square equal to 10 centimeter. So if we square root both sides, therefore we can say that L square length square plus breadth square equal to the, here the square root vanished and it should be 10 square equal to 100. Now area is, area of rectangle means, area means LB length into breadth equal to 62.5 centimeter square. So we can say that in the sum of the length plus breadth, so we can say that L plus B whole square, A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB. So if we put down the formation or the value, L square plus B square means 100 and 2LB means, LB means 62.5, so 2LB means 2 into 62.5. So 100 plus 115 equal to 225 centimeter square. So if we square root both sides, we get L plus B equal to root over 225, square root both sides. Two two five is the square of 15, so therefore L plus B equal to 15. So therefore we can say that the sum of the length and breadth, is root of L plus B means 15 centimeter. So the answer is 15 centimeter. Very important sum this one.